Have you ever looked at your smartwatch and thought, wow, this could really use satellite communication and maybe even detect my blood pressure? Well, it looks like Apple might just be listening, because the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting and powerful wearables of 2025. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, a health tech enthusiast, or someone who simply loves Apple's cutting-edge ecosystem, this upcoming smartwatch deserves your full attention. In this video, we're diving deep into every major leak, update, innovation, and performance rumors surrounding the Apple Watch Ultra 3. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll know exactly why this watch could redefine the future of wearables. First, things first, let's talk timing. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to launch in September 2025, right alongside the iPhone 17 lineup and the Apple Watch Series 11. This sticks to Apple's classic annual release cycle for flagship devices. Since the Ultra 2, which mostly introduced a black titanium finish in 2024, didn't bring groundbreaking changes, it's clear Apple's been saving its real upgrades for this next generation Ultra. So expect more than just cosmetic tweaks. We're talking meaningful performance and feature leaps. Now, in terms of design, don't expect Apple to completely change the aesthetic. The rugged, premium look that defines the Ultra line is sticking around, but there will be some refined touches. Rumors point to a redesigned back panel inspired by the Apple Watch Series X, potentially featuring a larger charging coil and integrated antenna. This subtle shift could bring faster charging, improved signal reception, and an overall sleeker, more modern form factor, all without sacrificing the Ultra's adventure-ready style. It's Apple's way of saying, we're not reinventing the wheel, we're making it spin smoother. Moving on to the display, and this is where it gets really exciting. The Ultra 3 is expected to feature a more advanced OLED Retina display, using LTPO 3.0 technology. What does that mean for everyday users? The screen will intelligently adjust its refresh rate from 60 Hz down to 1 Hz when needed, helping preserve battery life without compromising on visual smoothness. Even more impressive are the rumored 40% improvements in brightness and off-axis viewing angles, a massive win for outdoor visibility during hikes, runs, or just catching a notification in bright sunlight. While Apple initially considered adding mini LEDs, it now seems they're sticking with OLED and refining it to near perfection. Under the hood, the Ultra 3 is expected to introduce the brand new S11 chip, which could bring enhanced processing power, better energy efficiency, and support for next-gen features like full satellite communication. Unlike past models that offered emergency SOS via satellite, and only when connected to an iPhone, the Ultra 3 could potentially allow you to send texts and even make calls via satellite, all independently. That's a game-changer for hikers, travelers, or literally anyone who finds themselves off the grid. Combine that with Apple's rumored shift from Qualcomm to MediaTek's RedCap 5G modem, and we're looking at faster, more stable connectivity, optimized specifically for smaller devices like smartwatches, all while keeping battery drain to a minimum. Speaking of battery, Apple's refining that experience too. The new charging coil and antenna integration may allow the Ultra 3 to finally match the Apple Watch Series 10's charging speeds, which can hit 80% in just 30 minutes. Compare that to the Ultra 2's 60-minute charge time, and we could see downtime for users cut in half. Imagine finishing your coffee, and your watch is all ready for another 36-hour adventure. And now to the most anticipated category, health tracking. Apple has been pushing the boundaries of health-focused wearables, and the Ultra 3 may introduce hypertension monitoring, not exact blood pressure readings, but alerts for irregular patterns and potential high blood pressure risks. This could literally be a life-saving feature for some users. Although the long-rumored non-invasive blood glucose monitoring is probably not ready yet, insiders say Apple has working prototypes, so it's likely only a matter of time before it hits future Ultra models. There were also whispers of a built-in camera, but let's be honest, no one really wants to butt dial their X via wristcam. Apple seems to agree, and that idea has reportedly been shelved for now. As for colors and price, no new finishes have been confirmed yet, but Apple may surprise us to keep the Ultra 3 lineup feeling fresh. Pricing is expected to hover around Euro 900 or its equivalent, unless global economics cause a shift. Apple usually maintains consistent pricing across generations, but regional factors like inflation and tariffs could cause some fluctuation. All in all, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be the most complete and capable smartwatch Apple has ever made. Between smarter connectivity, more powerful internals, health tracking innovations, and subtle but valuable design upgrades, this could easily be the best smartwatch of 2025. Whether you're summiting a peak, navigating a jungle, or just commuting to work in style, the Ultra 3 seems built to handle it all with flair. If you found this deep dive helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth Apple and tech coverage, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our Ultra 3 hands-on review as soon as it drops. And hey, if you're curious about what Apple's doing with the iPhone 17 Pro Max or the upcoming Apple Watch Series 11, go ahead and tap one of these videos on screen. Thanks for watching, and remember, your next adventure might just start with a tap on your wrist.